Red skies turn to darkness and moonlight. Building shadows contain tiny lights. Neon billboards beckoning to nightlife. Car headlights racing down streets of amber light. Evening, the coolness settles in. The rituals of Night City begin. This is my city. This is your city. Sometimes a great place to be, sometimes not. Muggings, murders, robberies in dark places. Games, friendships, good times and happy places. We live the rush like giant ants in city life. We take the trouble, toil, and the strife. Then we live, look forward to better times. We work hard for a buck, try our luck. All the drama of this night city skyline. Tomorrow, the sun will rise. And we will work in the city of day. Many waiting for the cycle to return. Earning just enough pay to survive. And play in the night city skyline.